Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, I can put into x to the power of 2022 multiplied by 1 plus 1 over x to the power of 2022, because this one with this one we got this one. Next, I will put this one go outside and we have this power in here. That should be about 2022 multiplied by 2023 over 2022. So this one we simplify and we got 2023. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 over x to the power of 2022. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to negative 2022 over x to the power of 2023 dx. Because we don't have negative 2022 on numerator, so we need to divide both sides by negative 2022. So this one we change by u, and 1 over x to the power of 2022 we change by u. The x over x to the power of 2023 we change by this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equal to 1 plus u. We still have u in here, so I will put number 1 go to the left. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dt equals to du. So this one we change by t, u we change by t minus 1, du we change by dt. So this one divide by this one, and this one divide by this one. So we have t to the power of number 1 minus 2023 over 2022, and we have t to the power of negative 2023 over 2022. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of t to the power of n dt. We have t to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here and here. So we have the final answer. So 1 plus 1, we have number 2. Next, about t, that is about 1 plus u. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.